Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my French nails with gel paint. So for me, I personally like to use this Young Nails color, and it is the color Fizz, and it is very nice. So the first thing I like to do is open up your little pod of color. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. I'm going to grab... This is like those poly gel. All right, with this little thing here, this is just from a poly gel kit that it came with, but I like to take this and mix it up. Grab a little bit of that color and put it on the palette. Go ahead and clean that off because now it's getting everywhere. So be careful. All right, so we got some white onto this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I have these 3 brushes. It really depends on the length of the nails you're doing. I personally really like this Beetles one for when I do my nails. All right, so what I like to do is grab the color first, and I'm gonna try to show you the best way here. So what I do is get something you can put your hand and stabilize it. So I go to the highest point, so I'm gonna have the highest point right there, and then you drag it down. So your highest point of your preference, mine is right there, and then we're gonna match the opposite side. And I'm gonna go here, move some of that. I don't need all that. And that's gonna be my highest point again. So it looks like you got most of the perimeter. I think we still need to go a little higher right here. All right, so we got both of the sides lined up. I'm gonna grab some more of the white. And now what I wanna know is, where do I want my lowest point to be? So I think for me right here would be good. So then we're gonna make a line across. So far we did the sides, and now we found out, okay, this is the middle point. So then what you want to do here is start bringing this part up so that we can make it connect. And we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite. So you're gonna go from that highest point and start connecting down, and now we're basically blending the sides and that medium point that we created from the highest point down, and blending it in to that middle point, or that middle depth that we decided where we wanted it. Some people are different, they don't want it so long. This is a pretty elongated French. And right here you want to be patient because it's really important. You can create so many little grittiness of a mess, and I don't want that. It has to be smooth. So that's what it looks like now. That's your second part. You take a look and see if you like it. There's like a little bit of unevenness here, so I'm gonna go ahead and correct that. And I'm taking the bottom of my brush, if you can tell, to do the little details. So depending on how perfect you want this. And this is why they say, oh, I want something easy. French is not that easy when you want perfection. And obviously with anything, there's perfection does not exist. But when it comes to being really precise in a French, which is where some people charge a lot because there's a lot of precision and tediousness to it. So yeah, it's really important to be precise as much as possible, and to pay attention to where there's unevenness or where you could add more. So right here, as you can see, the line is not very clean, so we just filled in a little more to clean it up. So now it looks like this. You can either grab some more of the white or the color of your choice, and you can take it and just fill it in with that brush like this. until it's all the way filled up. Or you can also take a brush. Let me clean it up a little. This is like one of those gel brushes you can use to paint on the color more. So you can just go ahead and take a brush like this. This one's by Melody Susie, and it looks like that. And you can just go in and grab some of the color, which is mine's is the white, and you can also just fill in the rest of it like that. And fill in the rest of the nail. Make sure you get your sides. And I like how that looks. I'm gonna clean that off. I'm gonna grab this brush again, the liner brush. This is a striper brush, sorry. And I mean, some people call it the liner brush. And I see like a little bit of unevenness on this side, if you can tell. I really want to get that as nice as possible. So let me make sure I'm in frame here. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up a little bit. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Now you can go ahead and cure that. La, 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 da, 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 da. Do, 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 do. It came out pretty cute. Has anybody tried to do this at home? And let me know if you have. How did it go? Was it hard? It's pretty hard even on yourself. Okay, so for the last step, we're gonna take some top coat and cure that. That's what it looks like. Try to make this as easy as possible to understand. So I'm going to show you one more time. And that's supposed to be 1 minute. Okay, for the top coat, you're going to apply it for 1 minute. 1 minute. I can't believe I said 30 minutes in one of my videos. I can't get over that. Okay, that one's done. And that's it. That is how you get a French. Can you see that? Okay, there it is. Look how beautiful it came out. All right, so that is it. That's how you get a beautiful French. All right, guys, thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe to keep watching the next videos I upload on this channel. Bye, guys.